Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got a Royal Quiet Deluxe here, and it's got a problem. Just bought this machine, thought it was in good shape, and it turns out it was dropped. Look at this knob. It's bent. It's bent so bad the roller barely turns. It's binding right here in this collar right here, I think. And the shift also is, interlock is not working, so it should interlock that shift. This whole side is messed up, so we got to redo the shift bracket here. But we're going to look at this knob today and see if we can resolve this. I'm going to go ahead and pull the shaft out of here. So we do that by starting over here and removing these set screws. Hopefully they're not going to break off on me and cause more problems. Those came loose pretty quick. Here we go. And then to pull the shaft out, you take the screws off the Platen right here. This first one should be a deep set one. It's got a little nipple on the end. And then the other one can just get loosened and stay in there like that. So we should be able to pull the shaft out of here. Put some oil right there in that notch right there. Push that back in, push it back out. Okay, let me get the shaft out. Let's flip this out of the way and look at this shaft. Oh, it's got the bend is right about there. Look at that sucker. That's pretty good. So now I'm going to take the knob off here. So you can see the bend in that. And it looks like it's bent right about there. Fragile area. It's got the little set screw. It's kind of like the weak spot. Might have to replace the shaft. I'm going to try pounding it out first here on block of steel. Let's see if I can pound this straight without causing too much damage. Not too bad. Definitely improved. Still got a pretty good bend in it though. Looks like it's still bent, but it feels like it's okay. Let's try it. I'm not sure doesn't need to be, bent slightly the other direction to compensate for the. First thing I want to do is make sure it fits in and mar it. Okay, that looks good. Let's put it in the right way and get it over there all the way. Okay, let's put the knob back on here. That will be a pretty good indication of how it's doing. Well, that's pretty good. I think that's good enough. It's slightly, you can see it's slightly out of whack, but not very much. And it's not binding. It's going in and out pretty good. I think we're going to call that successful on this, repairing this bent Platen shaft repair job. All right, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.